So, when you say I have to study, you're essentially saying to me, studying is necessary. This structure is commonly used to express obligations or necessities. You can modify the sentence to fit different contexts by changing the subject or the verb according to the tense or person you're referring to. Just like, you have to study, he, she has to study, we have to study, they have to study. Here are some common examples. I have to cook dinner tonight. I have to attend the meeting tomorrow. I have to pay my bills before the due date. I have to study for my upcoming exam. I have to clean the house this weekend. I have to exercise every morning. I have to finish my work. I have to learn new words. I have to sleep on time. I have to spend time with my friends. I have to catch the bus to work every morning. I have to walk the dog before going to bed. I have to check my emails as soon as I wake up. I have to grocery shop every Sunday. I have to water the plants every evening. I have to do laundry on weekends. I have to take out the trash every night. I have to make breakfast for the family. I have to feed the pets twice a day. I have to reply to text messages within an hour. He has to catch the bus to work every morning. She has to walk the dog before going to bed. They have to check their emails as soon as they wake up. We have to grocery shop every Sunday. You have to water the plants every evening.